Hello friends, welcome to the Life of Fun.
Today I'm going to start how to count number of squares in a given figure, and in this video I'm going to give you very simple and easy tricks to count the number of squares in a given figure without actually counting them. So this is the figure. We are going to count number of squares in this figure. So I'll give you some tricks. So while counting number of squares in a given figure, the first thing we must do is count the number of rows and number them, count the number of columns and number them. So let's do it. So these are rows, these are columns. We are going to count them and then number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Now columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the first thing. Now the second thing, we have to make pairs. These are the pairs. 5 and 5. So make pairs and multiply these numbers. 5 into 5, 25. Now another pair. 4 into 4, 16. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1. This will be 1. We made pair and multiplied them. Now we are going to add them. 6, 11, 20, 24, 25, 4, 5, 55. So in this figure, total number of squares are 55. The first thing, count the number of rows, number them, count the number of columns and number them. Then make pairs this way and multiply, then add them. So total number of squares in this figure are 55. So now move on to our next figure. This is our next figure. So here also we will count the number of rows and columns. So these are rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 rows. Now columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns and 5 rows. Now we will make pairs and multiply them. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. This is another pair. 3 fours are 12. This is next pair. 2 threes are 6. Next one. 1 twos are 2. Now we will add them. We are leaving this because we don't have another number here to make pairs. We had 5 rows and 4 columns. That's why only 4 pairs. So we will leave this because pairs are very important. Now we will add them. So 32, 38 and 40. So in this figure, total number of squares are 40. Follow these simple tricks to count the number of squares in a given figure without actually counting them. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.